What's going on? It's the sweaty JakeOfALL. And in this little intermittent video, I'm gonna go specifically over a little something special that I'm doing. And I've got some quarter round. You know why it's called quarter round? Comment below. Because there's a lot of people that confuse shoe base molding with quarter round. Okay, on to it. So we need to make this around the ceiling. A couple people said, you're not OCD because that's ceiling gap. Well, this is drywall and it's not perfect. And the sheet goods are square. And I'm not gonna scribe the sheet goods to the ceiling because that's just a ton of waste of time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a piece of quarter round, but I'm gonna leave it down because we got this. We got some LED strip lights. We're gonna go ahead and stick it onto this quarter round before we paint it. Well, we're gonna make sure it works. We're not gonna necessarily stick it because I'm gonna get it all up and then I'm gonna test it out here in a second. I'll show you. And as you can imagine, black wall, white ceiling. So let me get the test set up and I'll show you what it's gonna look like. Okay, so I have my strip light. It works. It is a variable brightness. And this is a nice little analog dial. So once I set it to where I need it, it'll stay at that. And then what I'll do is I'll take that plug and I'll put it on a smart switch. And then I'll just put a occupancy sensor. So when I come out here, lights kick on. And I'm gonna start it there. And that's where my plug is. So I literally just have to run trim along there, along there, and along there. So next thing, I'm gonna go ahead and cut a couple gauge blocks so that I can set this trim at the same depth from the ceiling. And onto that. So let me get going. So originally, right, this trim was gonna go up here, but if I put it like this, you're still gonna see that. And if I put it like this, I'm never gonna get that strip light, plus it's not gonna allow a lot. So what I came up with is take some strap, right? I cut it down to 2 inches so it's still flexible. I should be able to come up here and just, if I turn the nail gun on, go ahead and stop. So I should be able to come up here and just nail this to this plywood that's already up here all along and push it tight. And then I will put a coat of paint on that. And then I'll have this nice 2-inch line down here that I'll put this trim on. Paint this, paint that, and then I add LED strips to the underside of that, and boom. So I gotta mount the rest of this trim, and then I'll be back. All right, there you can see that wall's done. This one doesn't have any plywood on it, but it's still gonna get the light, so I'll carry it around there. And gotta remove the packouts and cut down some more trim, and then I'll be done with this side. All right, look at it. It's all up. Don't mind that, I gotta trim that with the OMT. Stuff's off the wall. I'm the JakeOfALL. This is like day 16 on this stupid whatever. And I need to get to painting, so I'll see y'all later. All right, the lights are installed. It's still bright out. I have a couple packouts to organize. And then we'll go ahead and get a shot of this with this on. Okay, so in broad daylight, there's the strip lights on. We're gonna go ahead and let it get a little darker, and we're gonna get the packouts put back up on the wall and the area organized. And then we'll sort of show you what it looks like and give you our final thoughts. All right, there it is. Now, if I move too fast, the garage door opener motion sensor will kick on. But here you can see the light that we get from just that. Now I'll go ahead and move so that this will kick on. And you can see, not bad, right? Turn it off. And then we'll turn on the ceiling light. And we'll go back. So really, the purpose is to just make this PACKOUT wall look that much cooler. Oh, look at that. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? At least in my opinion. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know what other processes in here you want to see. This is sort of, I'm calling it like 2.5 because I had to get all that done so that I could get working on the STV racking. And I'm going to move around so this light kicks on. But I've got that to finish. I'm holding this cup holder because I picked the winner on this and the ratchet strap cleats. There's the STV racking. That's going to be in the next big video, I hope. Or it might be on its own. But I picked a winner for this. And we commented on your post or on your comment. So we're just waiting on you. We're waiting on you. Same thing with those ratchet straps. So if you look at the video and it says winner something giveaway, you should watch to see if you won. Because I've got a couple of those things. But if you can see here, I am glistening. And in my opinion, that looks pretty good. I'd like to know what you think. But it's time for me to pack out of here. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Oh, that Klein tool, the multi-bit, that one only has 200. Once that thing gets to 1,000 likes, I'm giving that away. All you got to do is comment and follow me. I'm the JakeOfALL. Again, time to pack myself a heart attack out of here. I'll see y'all. Bye.